My inbox is not at zero, but there are not hundreds or thousands of emails in my inbox because I do delete them frequently. It's just who I am, or I move them into labeled folders in my Gmail, categorized, labeled, so I can find them. I have a mini challenge for you, and that is to delete 25 emails. This is meant to be doable, easy, and get you started at least at achieving kind of an inbox zero, but maybe an inbox 25 or 100 would feel good. So I know this doesn't feel like much, just 25 if you have thousands and thousands of emails, but it's a start, right? And it can make a difference. Who knows? Maybe you will feel inspired to continue deleting emails, or you'll do this on a daily basis or set aside 10, 30 minutes every week to delete emails and get more on top of your inbox. It'll be less stressful because it's kind of stressful looking at thousands of emails in the inbox every time you open it. So that's your mini challenge for now. Thanks for joining me. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on these tidbits and tips that will help you continue organizing and decluttering. I'm Jill Annis, the owner of Simply Organized. I'm your compassionate, non-judgmental organizing expert. Thanks for watching. See you later.